Hey folks, I hope everyone had a great weekend. Well, the stock market continues to meander sideways, and at this point it looks like everyone's focused on the interest rate hike, or at least the potential thereof, this Wednesday when the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee meets. Well, you can see I've got my screens mostly locked, so this is a great opportunity to go through something that is really important, I think, for success in the stock market, and that is having a daily routine. Being an active investor doesn't mean you have to look at these screens for 8 hours a day. In fact, if you do, you're most likely doing more harm than good. But it does mean being connected to the market a couple times a day. And I'm talking about having a steady rhythm, and everyone's got a different schedule, remind you. So there's no one fit solution, but having a steady rhythm so that you are connected to the market at least 2 or 3 times per day. Now, for me personally, what that means is I get up in the morning and the first thing I do is I write an article, I do my research, and I basically look at the market a couple times here and there. But for the most part, once the stock market actually opens at 9:30 Eastern time or 9:30 New York time, I'm for the most part actually going to step away a little bit. I tend to go to meetings, maybe do a video like this or something like that, and work at some other business development things. I then do check back into the market just before noontime. I check in again in the afternoon, and I like to do a little bit of research in the evening. So that's my personal schedule. But keep in mind, everyone's got a different rhythm, whether you have a job, a part-time job, full-time job, maybe you're retired, semi-retired, maybe you're a mother, you're busy with children, picking up kids, maybe you are in a profession that gives you specific points in time during the day when you have time, like maybe you're a pilot or a doctor, or maybe you're a professional athlete, or whatever you might be, you're probably quite busy. So there's no one-size-fits-all solution here, but it's really important to have some sort of a rhythm, because if you don't have a rhythm, it's very easy to stop losing track of what's taking place in the market. Again, we're not talking about a day trading strategy here, we're just talking about being connected to the market. And luckily these days with laptops or our smartphones, I'm actually recording this, I was looking for my smartphone. Anyway, with the smartphones, you pretty much can check in the markets at all times. And I'm gonna make a big point here over the next year or so on the YouTube channel and other social media outlets to make sure people understand that nowadays we can be active investors and traders very much on the go, but it does mean you have to have a steady rhythm. And again, I'm not talking about a great commitment, I'm talking about 45 minutes a day to keep the doctor away is kind of what I like to say. If you can somehow fit 45 minutes a day, maybe 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at noon, or maybe 15 minutes in the evening or something like that to look at the market, I think you'll be just fine. So that's my tip for the day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Also, very important, guys, our next Mastermind series workshop is taking place in Arlington, Texas on April 20th and 21st. You can go to thesteadytrader.com and click on the information/registration link at the top to find out more information. There's a nice little video I made including all the information you need in order to sign up for that. So I'd love to see as many of you guys as possible. These 2-day events are really powerful. They really put the traders and investors that attend on an accelerated path to success. We just happened in Orlando, Florida in February. Big success. People absolutely love it. I still get emails almost every single day from the guys that attended there telling me their progress, and it's just wonderful to see how an in-person meeting can be a big help in the path to success as a trader and investor. So make sure you register for that, and I'll see you soon.